What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Welcome back to another episode. As you can see, last week got a little busy. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. In case you don't know, that's the Orlando skyline. Shout out the O. You dig? But enough of that. Yeah, last week was busy. Coronavirus has definitely affected our lives, as well as everybody in the sneaker game, I'm sure. So if you haven't, check out this video I did not too long ago, kind of talking about this Jordan right here. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description as you guys see it. But I went ahead and I talked about what really happened with this on a case study of the economy. It kind of had a dip in value on StockX, and I noticed a trend, so make sure you guys check out that video. But enough of that. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing both of these, so at any point, if you guys want to skip ahead, I'm going to go ahead and pin that in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this Yeezy right here. Honestly, first impressions, Yeezy 700 V3 Alvah, I believe is how you pronounce it. First impressions, it honestly made me more excited for Yeezys. It's been a minute since we've had anything that like really made me excited. Like, we've been getting so many of the same hues. There's been memes about it. So it's been like, I'm sick of constantly getting these 350s, these V2s that all look the same, you know. So these are definitely special. I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like. And enough of that. Let's see.
Missing someone with all your own. Missing
So I wanted to go ahead and actually step outside to show you guys what these look like in natural lighting, because I feel like the inside didn't do them justice. These are honestly super fire. Like I said, it's the first time in a minute that I've seen a pair of Yeezys and I've been like, wow, I might actually have to keep a pair for the toe. Now, as far as this front part goes right here, this white thing, that actually is 3M, so when you hit it with the flash, it'll light up. This cage right here is pretty nice. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it at first, but honestly, it's not too bad. And I wanna go ahead and show you guys the heel, so here we go.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So bringing it back in, I just wanted to go ahead and talk about one more cool little feature. As you can see, I was just outside for just a few minutes, or not even a minute, and they already start to glow. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a picture of what they look like with the glow right here. Honestly, I think it adds a lot to the actual sneaker, and if you want my opinion, I think they're really dope. I would definitely pick up a pair of my size if I had hit for retail. Overall, I'd say these were a really interesting pair of sneakers, and like I said, if I had hit on my size for retail, I definitely wouldn't hesitate to put them on the toe. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. I know that this drop was not the easiest, so I'm definitely thankful we were able to cook for. And yeah, on to the next one. Alright guys, here she is. Now the second part of the video, we're going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s. Like I said, if you haven't seen the last video I did, I went ahead and kind of examined what happened to these in regards to the coronavirus and the sneaker market. I think it's pretty fire, so you should definitely check it out. Link will be in the bio. Enough of me talking though. I gotta let these just speak for themselves, so let's get into it. Alright guys, and one more thing I forgot to mention on these Air Jordan 1 Core Purples is that they come with these purple laces. I'm gonna go ahead and post a photo in the video right here so you guys can see what they look like. But yeah man, how would you guys rock them, purple or black laces? Let me know in the comments. Yeet. Alright guys, so for my last few comments, I just want to know what you guys think of these. Unfortunately, they were originally scheduled for an April 4th release, but were pushed back, and we got them April 11th, last Saturday. So like I said, personally really stoked about them. I think they're a great silhouette. You can't go wrong with the classic 1. We did have the Court Purple 1.0s, as you could see. Another great pair of 1s, so this is another great pair to add to the collection. But yeah, let me know how you guys did. Did you guys cook either of these this past weekend? If you did, how'd you do? Are you gonna keep them? Are you gonna sell them? Yeah, let me know, man. It's kind of hard out here for everybody, so I hope you guys are all staying safe, being smart. Maybe use your stimulus check on a pair of Yeezys or something, I don't know, but maybe don't do that. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm still gonna go ahead and link the actual box right now at the end of the video, so stay tuned if you guys haven't already, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.